Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by confirming the XML uses a known schema and consistent units. Confirm the XML uses a known schema and uses units in meters or pixels. Always back up the original files before editing to preserve raw motion data. Back up original files before any editing to preserve the raw motion data. Check your project frame rate and set it to 30 FPS to avoid timing drift. Ensure your timeline frame rate is set to 30 FPS before importing XML files. Open your application and import the XML using the File Import menu. Import the XML into your app using the File Import menu and confirm no errors. If positions look wrong, map XML coordinate axes to your scene axes and apply axis swaps. Map XML coordinate axes to your scene axes, swap Y and Z if needed. If units differ, apply a uniform scale factor like 0.01 for centimeters to meters conversion. Scale any metrics using a uniform scale factor, such as 0.01 for. After mapping and scaling, scrub the timeline and check keyframes for jitter and drift. Scrub the timeline to check keyframes at 0, 1, 30, and 120 frames for smooth motion. Correct any rotation flips by applying a 180-degree correction or changing Euler order. Fix interpolation issues by converting stepped keys to cubic or linear easing settings. When the motion matches your scene, export a test FBX or GLTF to validate transforms and hierarchies. Export a test FBX or GLTF to confirm transforms and hierarchies remain consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.